Greetings, welcome to Smartwatch Guide. Today let's review an amazing smartwatch. The smartwatch is IWO14 and the watch brand is DEMOR. Okay, let's have a look at the watch. The watch is rose gold color with pink strap. Okay, let's have a look at the watch case. The watch has two buttons, one round digital chrome button and one power button. Between the two buttons there is a small hole for the microphone. On the left side there is speaker for the holes. Okay, let's have a look at the back of the watch. We can see the slot for the strap, both at the bottom and the top side. At the center there is a heart rate sensor. And the back is made of glass. There is one round heart rate sensor. Okay, let's have a look at the accessories. It has one silicone strap and at the box there is one USB charger, wireless USB charger to connect the USB connector, and transparent silicone watch protector case, and a user manual. And the application for the watch we have to download and install on our smartphone to connect with the watch is Fit Cloud Pro. And the main features call phone, calls, phone book, language, standby, watch faces, health, blood pressure, blood oxygen measurement, ECG, and heart rate monitor, temperature measurement. Okay. Let's fix the strap to the watch. Pull the button on the strap and insert it to the slot of the watch case. Let's fix the long one. We should pay attention to the direction of the strap. Please make sure the black color be upside and pull it into the slot of the watch case. Okay, it's fixed now. Okay, let's power on the watch. To hold the power button for about 5 seconds. It's turned on now, and the language option is popped out on the display. We can see many languages supported: Chinese, English, German, Russian, Spain, Portuguese, French, Japanese, Arabic, Dutch, Czech, Hebrew, Indonesia, Korean, Malaysia, Polish, Thai, Vietnamese, Finnish, Romanian, Turkish, and Croatian. And the Chrome button can be functionable when scrolling down. We can also touch the screen to operate the watch. Okay, let's choose the English language. Okay, we can see the default watch face. Okay, we can slide through the screen from left to right to check the functions of the watch. We can see many applications on the screen. We can click one icon to set the function. Okay. If we slide down through the screen from top to bottom, we can see the status bar, 6 status bar, Bluetooth connection status, and the battery status indication, QR code. We can scan the QR code to download and install the application on our smartphone to connect with the smartwatch. And the watch, about the watch, model watch 6, audio mode, line grids. We can change the menu style to line grids mode. In order to operate the watch more easily, pedometer, sleep monitor, heart rate monitor, blood pressure measurement, temperature measurement, blood oxygen measurement, ECG, music control, music player, women's health function, and sports mode. There are several different sport patterns, such as walking, running, mountain, cycling, basketball, badminton, football, yoga, ping pong, and rope skipping. We can choose different sports patterns when we do sports. Weather, alarm clock, stopwatch, countdown, notice, message notification, and this is the screen brightness adjustment. We can change the brightness of the display here. Color records, phone book, and make a call. About the watch, menu style option, reset or pawn. This is the settings for the watch language. We can change the language setting here, display, setting, vibration, intensity, menu style. Okay, let's check the watch face. We can scroll the round button to change the watch face. There are 4 watch faces installed in the watch, and we can also use our own photo to customize the watch face by the application Face Cloud Pro. If we slide through the screen from left to right, we can enter the exercise sports mode. Okay. We can also long press the screen to switch the watch face. Okay, this is the Smartwatch IWO14. Thank you.